Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we are reviewing this 2025 GMC Yukon XL Denali. It comes with a onyx black colorway on the outside, matched with a jet black color inside. Underneath the hood, it's a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with 10-speed automatic gearbox. This Yukon XL Denali is loaded with tons of features inside, like heated and ventilated seats, power sunroof, power door steps, wireless charging, and lots more. Come with me as we take a look. On the door panel, you can see the beautiful jet black leather interior with a dual colored wooden trim on the top, which will also be on all the door panels with dashboard. We got our memory seat buttons and our power window and power mirror buttons down here. This also comes with 4 speakers. Moving inside, we got our electronic parking brake, lane keeping assist, parking aid sensor button, auto start and stop, 360 camera buttons on the top, with our 4-wheel drive settings and our interior and exterior lighting controls at the bottom. And behind the steering wheel, we have our power steering controller. On the inside, you can see the jet black leather seats as well, with Denali logos on both the seats. Got our seat controls down here. And moving inside, we got our cruise controls on the left side of the steering wheel, with other heated steering wheel button and directional controls on the right side, with shifter pedals on each side of the steering wheel. Got a little storage compartment over here, and you can see the dual pane sunroof. Moving to the main entertainment screen, we got few different options. We got audio controls here, where we can choose from Sirius XM, FM, AM, and Bluetooth options. We also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Here's a camera button where we can choose from various different angles while backing up the car. Moving down, we got our climate control with our heated and ventilated seat buttons. Got a little storage compartment with wireless charging pad and a couple of outlets. And underneath here, we got our dual cup holders, which can both be closed for a seamless look and extra privacy. Under the armrest, we got extra storage space here and storage space in the glove box. And moving outside, you can see the onyx black colorway with our chrome front grille and GMC logo in the center. We also got some chrome accents running through the bottom, our automatic LED headlamps with our daytime running lights, and fog lamps at the bottom. Got black and chrome aluminum wheels as well on this. Denali logos on the side. Also got blind spot sensors in the front of the mirrors, and chrome and black colorway door handles with buttons to open the door. And we got power steps down here. And moving to the back, we got Denali logo in the center with our Yukon logo on the bottom left. Got a button down here which will release the automatic tailgate. And you can see there's tons of storage at the back with the electrical outlet and some buttons which will automatically put the third row back seats down. Moving to the rear interior, you can see the same jet black colorway here as well with our dual colored wooden trim. We got lock and unlock buttons and power window buttons on the door. On the back of the front seats, we got some storage space and the same leather seats in the back as well. We have 2 different buttons. This one will bring the seat forward and backwards, and if we press this twice, we can access the third row over here. And at the back of the center console, we got some climate settings with our heated seat settings for the passengers, and a couple of USB-C outlets with an EC outlet down there. Thanks for joining me as we review this 2025 GMC Yukon XL Denali. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss an update.